Hi, and welcome to Content That Clicks, your go-to pod class for mastering content in the tech world. We're two writers based in the MENA region breaking down everything you need to know about content in all of its forms to level up your skills, your product, and your business.
In each episode, we unpack a different way content can level up your business, whether it's fixing UX issues, getting localization right, or using AI without sounding like a robot. Because when your content clicks, so do your metrics.
Today, it's time for a content boost where we share one of our favorite quick hit content tips to level up your tech writing.
And like we always say, this isn't just a podcast, it's a pod class. So grab your notebook because we're about to share a game-changing perspective that will transform how you write your content.
But first, a quick intro. I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Hennie.
And we are content experts. Together, we have more than 25 years experience writing for over 100 brands across 15 countries.
And we're here to help you write content that clicks. Let's get into it.
Today's boost is all about how to write better AI prompts. If you have ever asked ChatGPT to write a blog or write captions about X and you've got back something painfully generic, then this one's for you.
The truth is, good output starts with good input. And the better your prompt, the better your results. And that's why we've created a simple formula to help you write prompts that get results. And we've called it script. So all you have to remember is to follow the script. Let's break it down.
Okay, so the script formula starts with S for specific, be specific. Start by telling AI exactly what you want it to produce. So that means including things in your prompt like the type of content you're looking for. Do you want a product description, push notification, or a blog intro? You also want to say the goal or the purpose of the content. Are you trying to drive clicks, build trust, or explain a feature? Also, you need to include key points that you want the output to cover. And finally, include your preferred tone and style. Think of it like working with an agency. You need to give them a clear brief on what you're looking for. If you're vague, you'll get something vague back. So the more specific your prompt, the better the response.
Next in the script formula is C for context. You have to give AI context. Tell the AI what it needs to understand before writing. So include things in your prompt like who you are, for example, a UX writer, a startup founder, B2B, SaaS brand. You should include your target audience. Are you targeting new users, Gen Z? Are they in the MENA region? You should also tell it about your brand background or product details and give it a use case such as onboarding, reactivation, or campaign copy. Context makes your prompt smarter and stops AI from making the wrong assumptions.
Next up, we've got R for rules. Setting rules for the AI helps focus the output from the beginning. So try including things like the word or character limits, the format you want, for example, bullet points, 3 headlines, or an email with a CTA. Also list any must-have elements. Do you want to include a specific call to action, a product benefit, or maybe a certain stat? Also, you need to mention any style rules that should be followed. For example, avoid jargon, use contractions, or write in the second person. Remember, the clearer your constraints, the faster you'll get something useful from AI.
Great. Now the I in script. I stands for inspire. Show the AI what good looks like. Include examples from brands you admire, or even better, from your own work. Tell it what you like about it and why. For example, the tone, structure, style, and ask it to use it as inspiration.
Next up in the script formula is P for polish. Now, don't hit publish right after the first draft. It's unlikely you'll have got the best responses with just one prompt. So make sure you're polishing and refining with follow-up prompts like make it punchier or try with a more friendly tone. Treat AI like it's your writing buddy, not a one-and-done solution.
And last but not least in the script formula is the T for test and tweak. Prompts aren't one size fits all. Test different versions, track what works for you, and refine them over time. And remember, no matter how good your prompt is, a human should always review the output. You are still the editor-in-chief.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so let's do a quick recap for how to write better AI prompts using the script framework. S, be specific. C, give context. R, set rules. I, inspire. P, polish. And T, test and tweak. That's it for today's Content Boost. We'll be back next time with another quick win for sharper content and smoother experiences.
If you want more tips like these, you can follow us on Instagram at Content That Clicks or TikTok at contentthatclicks.pod.
You can also let us know what you think of today's Content Boost by dropping us a DM or emailing us at contentthatclickspod@gmail.com.
Until next time, keep making content that clicks.